Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete search history on the Google Play Store. So if you want to delete your Google Play Store's search history, what you have to do is first of all open up your Google Play Store application, and after opening your Google Play Store application, now if you tap on your search bar, you can find your search history over here. So if you want to clear this search history, what you have to do is you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. And now what you have to do is tap on settings, and now you have to tap on the first option, account preference notifications, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on account and device performances, and inside history section you can find clear device search history. You just have to tap on that option, and now a message will pop up which says clear device search history. All searches that you have made in play on this device will be removed. And after tapping on clear history, now if you'll go back and you will tap on your search bar, you will find that your search history has been cleared. So this is how to delete search history on the Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.